In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Subaru Outback key fob and change the battery at home. It's very easy to do. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2025 batteries. Now, if you'd like to pick one of these up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. It'll come right to your door. You don't have to go shopping around. So if you're interested, that will be down in the description. And once you have everything you need, you can just look up to the top of the device here. See, there's a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in there, and just gently turn the screwdriver. Now you'll feel it kind of crack open, and you could just separate it with your fingers, put this down for now. And now using the same flathead screwdriver, we're going to come in on the top left where there's a little kind of indentation in the plastic, a little area. You see that right there? Going to be coming in right here, and just with the corner of our flathead, just lift the battery up and it will pop right out. Now here's the CR2025 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these, there will be a link in the description. And when you have your new battery, make sure this positive side with the text, the information goes face down. Simply click it back into place. Set this right on top. And just click the two halves back together. That's really all it takes. It's pretty simple. I hope that helped you out. And if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.